Alright guys, so welcome back. Thank you for hanging out, spending a few moments here with me. If you're new, definitely make sure you hit that subscribe button. I really do appreciate it. Now, it's becoming more and more common for people to just swap out their engine, transmission, rather than going through the process of building power. Not everybody wants to get involved in that. New cams, forging the internals, adding forced air, it really all starts adding up, and you're doing it very incremental. Whereas in a complete engine swap and transmission swap, it is a one-time drop off your car, you walk out and you got a ton more horsepower. But there's a particular build that I came across a few years back. I subscribed to the channel hoping to see this thing again, and what they did was they took a Challenger and dropped an SRT-10 engine in there. It's an 8.3 liter that you would find in a Viper, but it came out of a SRT-10 Ram. And I'll tell you, the custom build is absolutely amazing.
Good afternoon, Hot Rod fans. Rick Socia here from Southern Ontario Auto Restore, where we have just finished putting the final touches on this 2009 Dodge Challenger, where we have integrated the SRT-10 truck Viper motor with the automatic transmission out of an 05 quad cab truck into this gorgeous green Dodge Challenger. It's an 09. Everything but the cruise control we were able to function. AC, all the HVAC system, all the lights, all the horns, the gauges, everything works but the cruise control. Alright, start it up, Barry. So there you have it. Fully integrated. We added all custom gauges into the car. Nice little SRT-10 detail. So everything in the car functions as it should. Down here we have the button for the air conditioning. We went old school analog with that, but it functions. There are 6-piston 14-inch rotors all the way around, I-box suspension, tubular cross member for the engine cradle. It's got the CUDA kit fenders and grille. It's the shaker hood, although it doesn't shake, it's part of the hood, but it looks nice. It's also at the back. It's got the window louvers and a spoiler. Custom drive shaft, custom exhaust, engine mounts, transmission mount, cooling system, everything's done on this car to our highest standard. Thanks for coming out.